Now we are moving on to our next topic, that is security issues in cloud computing. First we will study what is the meaning of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. The meaning is that cloud computing uses a network of remote servers, that is servers located at a distant location, or servers which are connected to the internet in any part of the world. These servers are used to store, manage and process our data. Instead of using a local server or personal computer, we are using a network of servers which is hosted on the internet anywhere in the world. So this is the meaning of cloud computing. Cloud computing uses the remote servers which is hosted on the internet to store, manage and process our data. These are the top cloud computing companies. The companies which offers cloud computing services are Google, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon Web Services, EMC Square. All the top companies are providing cloud computing facilities. This is an example. This is a network of computers. This network increases and again this network get expanded, and at a stage this network get expanded and the network traffic becomes very busy. The website is busy, the server will be overcrowded and the network traffic will be very busy. Then what is the solution? There are two solutions. First one is buy more servers and resources. That is the first solution. Second solution is moving to a cloud. So the second solution is a better one. Why? Because buying more servers and resources will be very expensive. So the better solution is to move to a cloud. Why the name cloud? The name cloud came from a network design that was used by network engineers to represent a network of devices. The shape of this network was like a cloud. This is the figure which illustrates the cloud computing. The central one is cloud server. The service provider will have access to this cloud, and there are so many end users. These end users can have access to these clouds provided by the service provider. These are the famous quotes about cloud computing. These quotes says that the definition for cloud computing is different for every person. There are multiple definitions out there for cloud computing. These are the common definitions. Cloud computing refers to both the applications delivered as service over the internet and also the hardware and system software in the data centers that provide those services. So cloud computing can be both the applications and also the hardware and software in the data center. Both are known as cloud computing. The services have been referred to as software as a service, SaaS. The data center hardware and software is what we will call a cloud. These are the uses of cloud computing. Helps to use applications without installations. That is, we can use any apps without installing them in our system. Also access the personal files and data from any computer with the internet access. Also, this technology allows more efficient computation by centralizing storage, memory and processing. Benefits are the cloud computing gives the freedom to use services as per the requirement and pay for only what you use. These are the different types of cloud computing: private cloud, community cloud, public cloud and hybrid cloud. These are the definitions for types of clouds. Security concerns of cloud computing. One concern is that cloud providers themselves may have access to customers and unencrypted data. That is, the cloud providers like Google or IBM or Microsoft, they have the access to the customers' unencrypted data. To provide security, networks and data cloud computing providers have joined hands with TCG, that is Trusted Computing Group, which is a non-profit organization. They create self-encrypting devices and also releases a set of specification to secure the hardware. These are the methods taken for providing security. The other way for increasing the privacy is to keep the data decrypted at the cloud storage site. Future of cloud computing. The future of our IT industry lies in the hands of cloud computing. That is the opinion of major CEOs of IT companies.